like. Stay tuned.
For starters, my hair was already washed and detangled. And it's also damped, which makes it easier to work with. Now I'm gonna go in with my rat tail comb to start parting my hair to the side, of course. And here you'll see me struggling with parting my hair per usual, but I'm not gonna force myself through my hair. I'm gonna get that part right though. Spot right there is not a bald spot, sweethearts. I just always had that. I think it's like a birth defect or something. I'm not really sure. Once everything is to your liking, you'll go in with your Demon brush and start to detangle your hair once you've achieved your part. To make sure it's all detangled, like literally no kinks, no nothing, like detangled. Like completely detangled. My hair is finally detangled enough to where it's flat, and that's what you want to do with your Demon brush. You want to make sure that it's able to lay flat. And now I'm just gonna comb out my edges, the parts that I want to like swoop, and I'm gonna go move in with my gel. As you can see, I like to start my wave from the top and the front, like the front top area, and then work my way to like slicking it all back together, just because it makes it a lot easier. You know exactly how you want the front to lay, like that's the most important part. You'll see me going in with my brush just to help me smooth out and lay my hair flat, like flat with the gel. And with the water and the gel, it all makes it like so easy because the brush is just moving the product, and then the water is making it so much easier. But you'll just go in with your brush and your gel and just, you know, lay it how you need it to be laid. And to even smooth it out a little more, you can go in with a rat tail comb. But sometimes I don't really like the rat tail comb because it'll put like, you know, little lines in your hair, and it's not cute. gonna keep repeating this gel, brush, comb process until your hair is all sleek back the way you want it. Here you'll see me doing my practice pony. A practice pony is basically your fake ponytail that you do to like mold the rest of your hair, so you know how you want your real ponytail to lay, but you know that you're going to redo this ponytail. Yeah, my little practice pony. Here I'm just pulling out my little hang time friends. It's a little weird obsession. I like having those little curls by my ears. And I'm just going in with more gel and my brush to help me lay, like I said, with my practice pony, lay my hair exactly how I want it for my real pony. Got my front together. Now I'm more secure about my ponytail and I'm just gonna make it tighter than before, and this will be my real pony. That side seemed easy. Now watch how I just screw my whole self up. And yeah, just watch. Going in with my Got2b gel, the black kind, the one that comes out clear, I'm gonna go over my edges to help it like get that super hold. I even do this with my real hair when it's out. I'll do my edges with gel and then put Got2b gel over it just because it just helps it stick. See what I was telling y'all about that rat tail? The devil. But you may be better than me. I just didn't, like, I've seen people do it like good, but not me. I just couldn't. Like, I just couldn't. Like, oh my gosh. This is horrible. How I just like messed up something so perfect. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna get it together, don't worry. At this point in my life, I just said, screw everything. I'm ready to go to sleep. Let me just slick this and stop trying to be so extra. Through my trial and error, I finally got it to my liking, and now I'm just going in and just fixing my edges, making sure they're exactly how I want them to lay. And once you're all done with that, you're just gonna go get your scarf. I prefer silk scarves rather than cotton. But yeah, you're just tie on your silk scarf and you'll go to bed like a normal person. Now I'm just fluffing my hair in the back and I'm just braiding it into one little braid, like so. Going in with my hairpins, I'm gonna take that same braid I just braided and take one hairpin and just pin it into a ball. Actually, I took 2 hairpins because I just like to be secure. Like, I get really insecure about hair. I don't know if it's gonna fall out or anything, so I just have to be sure for myself. Use 2 bundles for this look, and when I wrap my ponytails, I double the wefts before I wrap it, and I like to start off on the side where it's not connected, where like there's 2 end pieces of the weft. So I'll use that piece and I'll pin it to start off, and then I'll continue wrapping. around, and around, and around, as you'll see. When you're done wrapping that bundle around, you'll make sure you pin it and then move on to the next bundle, and you'll repeat the same steps. Now you'll see me taking a small piece from my ponytail, preferably from the back, and I'm just gonna take that same piece and wrap around my ponytail where you won't be able to see the weft. And then you'll just pin that and you're basically done. And here are my final results. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.